You recorded a audio file or video file, or you recorded some videos over there. The sound volume is very low, so let's see how we can increase it. At first we need to import the video clips or audio clips which we want to increase the sound. So at first I will show you on the video clips how to increase the sound, and then I will show you in the audio clip also. So this is our video file, and here the sound is very little. It's very difficult to hear. So after selecting this thing, we have to come this side. There is audio. We just need to click here, audio, and then we have to scroll this bar volume to increase the sound. So by default it is like this way, very little sound. To increase it, we just need to scroll to the right till we are satisfied. Once the volume is fine, then we can put the slider over there, and here we are seeing that small bars are appearing. So this means the sound is increased. In this way we can increase the sound of our video clip. Now let's come to the audio clips. So I'm going to drag it here, and now here we are seeing this is the sound effect, right? So to increase it, same way, we just need to select it, and then we have to come to the volume, and then we have to slide right, and after when we will slide right, you will see that this bar is going up. So check carefully. So I'm going to slide to the right, and see here the sound is increasing, and if we go to the left, the sound is going to decrease. And that's it. In this way we can easily increase or decrease audio volume in CapCut.